My name is Renalda and I'm a speech and language therapist. This is a visual support video brought to you by Newham Speech and Language Therapy team. Today, we are going to look at how a Now and Next board works. The Now and Next board will have pictures representing the activities you are expecting your child to complete or the events you are expecting the child to participate. So, what do you need? You need a Now and Next board like that, which has a Now section and a Next section and a Finish section. And you may also need to have some pictures representing the activities you are expecting your child to complete or the events that the child is going to participate. So the Now and Next board can be used using objects or pictures or written words too. But today we are going to look at how we can use a Now and Next board using pictures. So I'm going to show you now how you can actually use a Now and Next board with your children. Okay, this is Adam. Hello Adam. We are going to go to the toilet. So now, toilet. Next, ice lolly. Now, toilet. Next, ice lolly. Yummy. Let's go to the toilet. And then you actually take the child to the toilet. You can take the board with you. When he comes out of the toilet, you'd say, toilet. Finished. Toilet. Finished. Now, ice lolly. Next, going out. Now, ice lolly. Next, going out. Let's have some ice lolly now. So this is how you would actually do it. When the ice lolly finishes, you would put it at the back of the card in the finish section, and you will move the next picture onto the Now picture and add another one. So we are going out and then we are going to the toy shop. So you can actually add more activities as they come along. Okay. My top tips to use the Now and Next board successfully. The first one is that you need to use very simple, clear language like I used. So either one word or a phrase or very short sentence when you are using the Now and Next board. Tip number 2 is to place this Now and Next card wherever the child can actually see. So if he wants to check out what he's doing, he can actually independently go and check it out. Okay. The tip number 3 is organizing yourself and pictures in order to make it easier for doing the Now and Next board. For example, what I have done is I have actually put all the activities or events that I would like to complete or participate in an order for today. So in the morning you can actually organize yourself and put all the pictures corresponding to the activities or events that's going to happen. Then you would know what's going to happen and where the pictures are. So for example, I can do it again one more time. So I'm going to use all the pictures that I have organized. In the morning, say, good morning, Adam. Now, brush teeth. Next, shower. Now, brush teeth. Next, shower. Okay, so that's, you can actually do it if you are organized all your pictures like this as well. So these are the 3 tips. Okay, I hope that you understand how to do a Now and Next board now. See you.